In this video, we are going to see how to make this beautiful beaded flower lace.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
Before starting the project, we need to thread in the beads as we are going to attach the beads along with our stitches. We'll start the project with a magic circle and chain 2s as we are going to work double crochets into the magic circle. So this will be just a returning chain. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the magic circle, pull up, we have 3 loops, pull through 2. Now we are going to attach the bead. So bring the bead towards the stitch. Before finishing the double crochet, we'll attach the bead. So attach the bead and pull it up. The beads will always be on the reverse side of our work. Again we'll repeat, yarn over, insert, pull up, pull through 2. Again we'll be inserting the bead. So just bring the bead towards the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Make sure the bead is behind the stitch. Repeat this 10 more times. So total 12 double crochets with bead. We'll be having 12 double crochets. So I'll just repeat, attaching the beads. First loop we'll be doing without any beads, but finishing the double crochet we'll attach the beads. So here we have finished working at 12 double crochets. Tighten the magic circle by pulling the loose end. Slip stitch on top of the first double crochet to finish off our first round. So here we have finished our first round. Make sure the loose end is to the other side of the work where there are no beads. Now to start a second round, chain 1 and a single crochet into the same space. Chain 5. Skip the next double crochet and on top of the next work a single crochet. In this round we are not going to attach any beads, so just repeat chain 5 and single crochets on alternate stitches. Total we will have 6 chain loops. Slip stitch into the very first single crochet and finish off round 2. So here we have finished round 2. Now to start the round 3, we are going to work into the chain loops. Work a single crochet, a half double crochet and again 3 double crochets with the beads in the same manner as we worked in round 1. So yarn over, insert, pull up, pull through 2 and finish off the double crochet with the bead. Repeat this 2 more times. So a total of 3 double crochets. To finish off the petal, again repeat a half double crochet and a single crochet. So first petal is ready. Repeat this into all of the 6 loops. Half double single crochet, half double crochet and 3 double crochets with beads. 1, second half double crochet and the third one. Finish off with a half double crochet and a single crochet. Just repeat this all around. Slip stitch into the starting single crochet and finish off our third round. Now for a fourth round we will be repeating row 2, but we will be working into the double crochets that we left unworked in our row 2. So to reach to that chain double crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet into the double crochet that we just left without working in our row 2. Repeat row 2 by working single crochets and chain 5s. So here we have reached end of row 4, chain 5 and slip stitch into the very first single crochet that we worked and finish off round 4. Now for row 5, we will be repeating again row 3 but with 5 double crochets instead of 3 double crochets. So bring in the beads and start working round 5. Into the loops that we just made, a single crochet, half double crochet and again 5 double crochets, the same manner as we worked in row 3 but with 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. So 5 double crochets with beads and a half double crochet, a single crochet. All around we will be repeating this single crochet, half double crochet and 5 double crochets with beads. The same manner as we worked in the previous 2 rounds, that is the first and third round. We will be repeating in the same manner 5 double crochets with beads. Now a half double crochet and a single crochet. In this manner we will just repeat row 5. So here we have reached the end of our 5th round. So this is how a flower looks. Slip stitch into the first single crochet and finish off the flower. Our 6th and final row we are going to work our loops. For that, chain 1 and single crochet into the same space, chain 5. Next single crochet we will be working on the 3rd double crochet of the 5 double crochet set. Again chain 5 and single crochet in between the 2 single crochets of the previous round. So this is how we are going to work in this round. Chain 5, single crochet on top of the 3rd double crochet of the 5 double crochet set, chain 5 and a single crochet in between the 2 single crochets. So just finish off this round, our 6th round, in this manner. Slip stitch into the very first single crochet that we made, chain 1 and finish off the flower. So our first flower is ready. If you wish, you can use this flower as it is. To continue working it as a lace, you need to make another flower. Repeat till row 5. So I'll just make one more flower and show you how to attach this into a lace. So here I have finished working the second flower in the same manner as we worked our first flower with rows 1 to 5. Now we will be working the joining round, that is our 6th round will be our joining round. We will be joining to the first flower. So chain 1 and single crochet into the same space, chain 5 and a single crochet on top of the 3rd double crochet. The first stitch will be the same. Now we are going to attach both the flowers together. So chain 2, hold the flowers with the beaded side together. In this manner we will be holding the flowers. Now we are going to attach into the chain loops of the first flower. So chain 2 we already worked. Now insert into the chain loop, the chain 5 loop, and work a single crochet. So single crochet, again a chain 2. Now we will be inserting in between the 2 single crochets of the second flower. The new flower we will be working a single crochet in between the 2 double crochets, chain 2, and in between the 2 single crochets. So we will be repeating this 2 more times. Chain 2 into the first flowers loop. Next loop we will be inserting and working a single crochet. Again chain 2. So we will be alternating the stitches, single crochets, once on the first flower and on the second flower. So chain 2 and again into the next chain loop, work a single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet on top of the the second flower. So alternate stitches will be worked on first and second flowers. So here we have joined the 2 flowers 3 times. We will be working the joining loop. Now again we will repeat row 6 to finish off second flower in the same manner as we work for the first flower. So chain 5 and single crochet on top of the third double crochet. So chain 5, third double crochet, work a single crochet. So just repeat all around chain 5 and single crochets. Repeating the same steps, you can attach as many flowers you wish to give the required length for your lace. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.